TV from Jamaica. This is Port Moran Family Reunion, one of the oldest sugar estates in Guyana. And we've been having this for the last 30 years. We've been having the reunion. We on all the time. This is the Vice President next to me over here, Mr. Virasamy Ilanga. And we have Mr. Kalawan also. Like I said, yearly event, and we do some fundraising, and whatever we do, we buy back things and we send back to Port Moran and other villages. We give back to our country. Most of the stuff, we give it back to our country, like cricket gears. The schools, we give scholarships to the schools, to the health centers, and various different organizations. We've been around for a long period of time, like I said, over 30 years. And we've been doing this all along. All these are not people only from Port Moran, but you have people from the whole Caribbean, Guyana, all over the place, Suriname. People came from Canada, from Los Angeles, Boston, Arizona, Texas, all over from different states. They are here. And we are looking forward next year. It will be grander and grander. I mean, the weather was a little bit different, but we are doing pretty good this year. So far, the good Lord has changed the weather, and we don't have any rain. Again, like I say, it's the Port Moran Family Reunion. Been around for a number of years, and we're doing a lot of charity work back in Guyana and other countries. Thank you.
I won second place in a run. I won second place in a run. What?
Hi, how you doing, everybody? I'm here. It's Richard Ramsandar representing Bola Travel Service and Agency. I want to give a quick shout out to BETV. We're here with the Port Moran Day Reunion, fundraising for everybody in Port Moran, send the money back to our people in Guyana. So I urge all of you, if you can't come out, donate, do some raffles, get some tickets in, come out, have a drink, have some food, enjoy yourself, and be sure to check us out on Facebook. Let's again check out Bola Travel Service Agency on Facebook, and also look up the Soca Analysts on YouTube and Google. We also do a lot of social work, and be free to come through and catch us on the next time. Come out next year too. All right, everybody, big up and bless.
Thank you, Mr. Paul, for being here today. It's a pleasure, as president of this organization, to see and witness you receive appreciation from the Goldborn family reunion. And thank you very, very much.
Thank you. Mr. Pauls has, I guess, 6 teachers in the family, starting from the master key. Then Brother Raymond, and Brother Oscar, Sister Yvonne, and Vernon Rapal, all teachers. And now we move on to Brother Asad Allen, and Sister Joan is here to make the presentation.
Hey, you already got money package. You already got money package.
Brother Asad Allen.
Ladies and gentlemen, I must say, going back in Guyana, myself and Assad was best friends. He used to come and stay at our home. I used to stay by their home. I don't have to ask what is cooking or what's in the kitchen. I will go and take whatever I want. Whenever he comes to our house, it's the same thing. My father also gave him a coconut tree. The other day I went back and the people that living in the house, they said, now you better take over and coconut trees down here. I says, well, what you gonna do? You know, it's, that's the way it goes. Myself and Azad has gone a long, long way. We used to go to Pegero shop and drink. And we used to buy liquor and credit. At the end of the month, as soon as we get paid, we make sure we go and take care of credit first, and then whatever left, the next day we go back to take credit again. So our credit was pretty good. We take 1 month and you pay the end of the month. Again, Mr. Allen, I would say it's wonderful to have you here and present you with this plaque from Kulmaran. You have done well. As a teacher, as a cricketer, playing for Miss Iggy, he was one of the best leg spinner that we have in our team. And he has done very, very well. But in this country here, things has changed. He came over here, and afterward, after he came, he went to New Jersey. Once in a while, we get to meet one another. One day I met him and he asked me, who are you? I said, I'm your friend, Ola. And he couldn't believe. He said, well, we have been a long, long way. I'll give Assad 30 seconds, not more than 30 seconds, to say something. Thank you.
So much.
candidate very much, and this will remind me of what I've done for all the presidents that I've taught during my stay in this meeting. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Can we get a round of applause for Brother Hassan and Brother Oscar Ripple?
Ladies and gentlemen, not to detour from anything, we have a young man in the crowd, Richard David. He is running for city council. He's going to be walking around. And he was here a few minutes ago. Oh, Richard David, come up on the stage. He's running for city council for District 28. And every one of you who are Democrat, I want you all to go out there and vote for him. For District 28, you live in Richmond Hill, South Ozone Park, part of Jamaica, and so forth, Rosedale Village. Come out and vote for Richard. And if we get him as our councilman, we could get a lot more things done from the Parks Department and various different things. I will call him a little later to say a few words because I still at the middle of the presentation. Richard, go around, meet the people, and we'll call you back to say a few words. I'll give you a demonstration, and I hope he will be doing well. Good luck to him.
Thank you, brother. And can we get a round of applause for Brother Oscar Ripple and Brother Hassan Allen? Now, in the family members, Brother Ramsuchin. Receive an award for the late Mr. Ramsuchin Chevron.
AKA the chemist, of sincere gratitude for his exceptional humanitarian service, and as the founder of the Port Moran Second Burial Society in 1927. We, the people of Port Moran, thank him. God will not forget 2007.
Thank you, my brother.
He was the founder of the Sickness and Burial Society, and that society laid the trendsetter. After that, he was born as a gifted man. They used to call him chemist. Many people come through him, from the young to the old, and he lived a very reverential life. And may God bless everyone who is here, because we are honoring our tradition. For Port Moran produce many talented people, and we are a blessed society.
Thank you. Show your present, please. Peter, step up, brother. Up one.
And the branch of lead to different, it's a different generation. And this is a new generation which has been respond to our new country, our new land, where we have to make our life, where we our president in our country. And Guyanese is the best, loving, and dedicated people. And we should appreciate that you and all are connected. Don't make it clear. You have an impact to us and part of us. Because we all coming from the same roots, the same branch. First of all, Fort Rock. Now, to my friend and my neighbor, which has been a person with impeccable character and I will say unequivocal compassion for human being. He has 2 sons or 5 daughters, but he treats us like his own son. When I went back home, he gave us so much of convenience and that's it. And let the light be shine upon all Guyanese, especially Corporan. He have a unique quality in us. God bless.
Thank you, Cub. Well said. Reunion Organization, we proudly present this posthumous award to the late George Lachaya in appreciation and recognition for his dedication and exceptional work as a community advocate to the people of Port Moran. Gone but not forgotten. The late, great Uncle George, Buddy George, George Driver, Mr. George Lachaya. And we hereby present this award to his son, Peter Lachaya.
I very much appreciate this award because, as a son of George Lachaya, these guys had more right in our house than I did. Anybody could go in, they did what they wanted to do. He was always humble, and you know that, for a fact. He was a great man. Everybody loved him in the Sugar Estate. And on behalf of him, he's not here anymore, but I appreciate the people that who acknowledge him and respected him. Thank you. Love everybody.
Thank you, Pete. Well said. That was our uncle, Uncle George. Philip, the mic's ready? Yes. We got to move the program along. Come on, Philip. For the awards for the game that was held earlier, step up, please. We got everybody waiting. In the meanwhile, you can support the raffle. There's still some tickets left to be sold. And now I present you to Roy.
All right, earlier we had Oriole gave Mortimer a Royal softball game, and the 2 teams that participated were Golden Jaguars and Soldier Boys. And first we're going to present the best bowler to Speedy. Speedy. That's fast one. That goes to Ricky.
Ricky! Rick! Champion! Soldier boy! Oi, who you players?
Man of the match also goes to Speedy. He's not here, so Dylan. Speedy's not here, so Dylan. All right. And we have a trophy for both teams. Golden Jaguars.
Runner up.
Hurry. Golden Jaguars.
Hey Jay, let Mamu present it.
Soldier boys! Thank you very much. And this is for the Barabar Trophy. The man who had it, a past captain, Naya Sansar. And when he got drunk, the donkey kept taking straight home. That's the man Barabar. And now I carry on back to the DJ. And the stage is free for all to dance.
Summer is a new DJ. He's a really good DJ. He's going to put on some good music once you guys are here. We're giving gifts out. Everybody, the stage feels kind of small. So a prize. We give prizes to everybody. Please come on up. I know. All right. So listen, let's start judging the dancers, all right? So, let's start. All right, so listen. I know those young guys back there were watching these young girls up here, and they said these girls are the winner. But, we got this young lady here for originality, execution, the way she's whining. With this young man over here. So I want to give you something first.
Yes! Very good, Nigel. Originality, execution, and style. She is the prize.
All right, you want to say thank you?
I would like to say, I'm from Gravity. Came to the reunion. It's nice to be here. Thank you.
Thank you. Today she's an honorary Port Morantian. Dr. Nigel Rapal. What's your name, young man? Thank you, Matthew, for being brave. And you will be rewarded for your bravery. And I hope you inspire a lot of these young men to step up on stage. Tell them what's your name. Good boy. And Matthew will be rewarded. It's a great pleasure to dance and to get paid too. For free. And the show continues. All right, DJ, crank it up.
Hey, you put it up. Huh? She got our prize. Wow.
them KI and the band. Hey, hey, let me give them the shredder. Let me give them the ball. Let me give them fire, 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 fire. Ulo ke haar le lo रूप को सिंगार ले लो जी साजन का प्यार. उलो के हार ले लो रूप को सिंगार ले लो जी साजन का प्यार. ओ मैं तो लाया चमन से बहार ले लो जी साजन का प्यार. लाया हूँ बगिया से चुन चुन के कलियां. लाया हूँ बगिया से चुन चुन के कलियां. छोड़ के आया बनारस की गलियां, बनारस की गलियां. मन का मोची है ये भूल वाला, मन का मोची है ये भूल वाला. आता नहीं बार बार.
There on this stage. Right, step up. The judges has chosen 3 finalists. And we can get a crowd's approval too. Oh, this will be rough. Okay, she gotta get something, give her something, and let's get that over with.
This young lady wants something. She's been dancing all night. Whether she's first, second, or whatever. You guys agree she gets a prize?
You don't need a gentleman on prize? You will get lost.
Perfect. All right, so guys, we have a group here. We've got this group over here. We've got this group over here. And I saw this young man came in afterwards also. Let's start looking at this young man over here too,
Yes.
okay? I think he was a winner last year. So are you guys ready to vote? Help me out, okay? Help me out. Be fair. Be fair. I don't want you to pick the younger people because you guys are young, big young people. All right? Let's judge them for how they dance, originality. And I see some very original outfits on this young lady over here. Here we go. So starting with this group here. What do you guys say? This group right here. Yes. Say something, guys. I'll come back to that. How about this young man over here? This is a tough crowd, man. Come on, you guys been drinking?
Everything
That's right. Come on, loosen up. Come on. This young man here. Is this your family over here? This is all your family, I know. What about these 2 young ladies over here? Come on. All right, guys, were you guys watching? Do you want to dance again? Do you want them to dance again? Are you going to help me pick the winners? Come on, guys, you guys got to help me here. It's a very quiet crowd here. I want to pick the real winners. Please help me out. Peter, guys, say something.
If you see something, say something.
So, we have decided.
All right, it's gonna be settled. Yes. You the judge?
So, the crowd has judged, the DJ judged, these guys judged, and they said all 6 of them are winners. I'm not including that man.
Those 6 are
So here, let's take care of the winners, okay?
Thank you. You want to say your name, please? Shalini said thank you. And you can stay on stage because the music going to play again.
Everybody's a winner!
We had 7 winners and a second prize for this young man. Nobody voted for him, you know. We put up the dance again. Without a shirt. Alright, we have one more song. Here, guys, can you just put it all on for us, even though you're all winners? Thank you guys very much for voting.
Stay on stage. One more song. One more song for the entertainment and then we go to the politician. Yeah, stay on the stage. One more song. One more song.
One and 10 men
we want to get this over, and the sun is coming out. At least we'll get more sunlight. Maybe they'll come on lights over there, so we could go a little longer. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Anybody more have raffle tickets to put in the stub? If you have it, you'll have to keep it. Final call for the raffle tickets. Final call. Then you're gonna do the drawing of the raffle tickets. Come on up, come on up.
This is Freddie's daughter.
Don't look at the box, just pick one.
And the number is 2064. And the name is Leon, Leon. And he has a phone number 845-551-0091. The number is 2064. We're going to make a final call for that number. 2064. If the winner is not here, we will keep the ticket and the information. And we will call them because their phone number is on the ticket. So now we move to the next consolation prize. Thank you. Can we get another person to draw the ticket? Step right up. Come on, young boy. Come on, young Freddy. Look at what pull one. And this is for Dave Hibiscus. Dave, you are the winner of the second consolation prize. Step up and receive your prize. Okay, the son receive it on behalf of his father. Now we'll be going for the third consolation prize. Can we get a person to step up? Oh, we got a young kid. He go first. Oh, Mr. Ramsunder's grandson, the fix is in. And the number is 0992. And the name is Raymond James. That's the boy. Let me see some ID. No, you don't run your mouth. Show your ID and step up. The number is 0992. Do we have a winner? The phone number is 929-293-9764. The address is 128-02 Rockaway Boulevard. Raymond James. Final call. We'll keep the price and call the person. And now we go for the fourth consolation. It's one of those expensive bags. And the winner is Rico, R-I-C-K-O. And the number is 1458. Is Rico here? Okay, the salesman for that ticket is here. Can I keep the price? Take it off the stage. Now we go for the fifth consolation prize. We got somebody from the crowd to step up? The fourth prize. It's a dancer. Step up, dancer. You're a brave boy. I like your spirit. Thank you.
3570.
The number is 3570. It's Ruby J. Ruby J? This is Crusher, you know, then this is a people from Mississippi. What the number you present? Oh, how you win? You keep that one in there, Mr. Reed, you know, walk out. The name is Ruby J. Oh, nice to have you. Jen, present the lady with her prize. Thank you very much. Are we going for the next constellation prize? Now we're going for the man's bicycle. It's one of the collector's items. That was presented by Michael Verpen. Michael, step up here, brother. Okay, do we have a volunteer to draw for the man's bicycle? Step up. All right, who's going to draw the ticket? One ticket only. All right, take one. And this is Vernon Otar, the teacher from English School from Rosar. Mr. Vernon Otar, you here? Step up for your prize. You just won the men's bike. Vernon Otar. Oh, Vernon Otar was here. I saw him earlier. Okay, Meeting Lana will be taking the prize on his behalf. Take the bike off the stage. And now we're going to raffle the ladies' bike. Bring the bike up. Present the prize.
Oh, that lady can win. Oh, that lady can win.
A lady.
That lady can win.
Hey, what if a man win? Hey, Jimbo, what if a man win the ladies' bike? Oh, okay. You give it to his wife.
Our sister. Niece.
The name is K-E-S-O. Queso.
Okay, so give it to his wife.
Queso. The number is 0841. Is Queso present? First prize is a 40-inch TV, and it's donated by John Ramsunder from Bola Travel and Insurance Services. We have a volunteer to draw the final prize. The cameraman will be doing it. Can you draw one already, baby?
Now, hey,
He's all ready.
this kid when I'm ready. Get another kid,
Go
man.
ahead. Only one, please. Only one. You can't look. Get away. Put it back. Put it back.
This is unfair. Unfair, out.
All right. It's all fair, my brother.
It's unfair, out.
The name is Kim. K-I-M.
That's her.
The number is 0424. And the phone number is 917-340-8934. The name is Kim. K-I-M.